Hi! Welcome to the Modern Dairy Farm Life channel. Watch this video on how to properly care for cows. Watch the amazing process of hoofs treatment, tails trimming, calves birth, cows pregnant test, rectal exam, milking, feeding, injecting cows and calves. You will also be immersed in the amazing world of biggest agricultural machinery and modern farms equipment. Are you enjoying the video? Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Visit our channel to see more interesting videos.